Hey everyone, welcome back to Abhi Codes, your go-to place for clear and easy coding tutorials. Today, we are going to solve an interesting problems from Geeks for Geeks. Insert in sorted circular linked list using Java. So, let's understand the problem first. Given a sorted circular linked list, the task is to insert a new node in this circular linked list so that it remains a sorted circular linked list. That is, it means that you are given a sorted circular linked list, which means that the last node points back to the head and the elements are sorted in increasing order. Your task is to insert a new node with a given value into the list so that it remains sorted and circular. So here example has been given here. Head has been given as 1, 2, 4, and the data is 2. Then the output is coming as 1, 2, 2, 4. And the question arises how? Simple. it's co- it's happening just by adding 2 after the second node, so which means 1 2 and 4 plus 2. If we add this node on the after the second node, then it will come as like this: 1 2 2 4. Similarly, if the head has been given as 1479 and the data is 5, then output is coming as 14579. How is it so? We can add 5 after the second node. That's from this diagram you can see that node that list has been created one with nodes 1, 4, 7, 9, and another node is going to be added here. So the another is going to be added here. So we will add 5 right after second node, that is after 4. And here the code here this coding question follows time complexity and space complexity of big on and big o1 respectively. And don't forget that this question was once asked on zoho, amazon and microsoft. So we will try to understand the approach here. Here we will handle three major scenarios in our code. The list is empty first. Second, the new node should be inserted before the head, like inserting 0 into 1, 2, 3. And third is the new node goes somewhere in the middle or end. So using this approach, we will try to solve this code in Java now. So as you can see here that our node has already been created here. Now we will try to solve this question using this function public node sort insert. Here it has two variables, head and data. And here first of all we'll try to define a node class. Very simple. Each node stores data and a pointer to the next node. That is, first of all we create a node over here. Node new node is equal to new node in bracket data. Now if head is equal to null, that is if head has no value, then we will create a new node over here. Now is not new node, sorry, we will create a list over here like next. No, what am I saying? If his not is equal to null, then new node dot next is equal to new node. Then we will return here new node. If the list is empty, we can make new node point to itself and return it. How we do so by solving this code? Simple. We will use here node cur is equal to head. If data is less than equal to head dot data, then while cur dot next not equal to head, um, cur is equal to cur dot next. Cur dot next is equal to new node. New node dot next is equal to head. We will now return new node. Then the next step is that if the data is smaller than the head's value, it goes before the head. So we loop to the last node, insert the new node there, and make it the new head. Now, in we can represent the same idea in this code by this: while cur dot next not equal to head and cur dot next dot data is lesser than data, cur is equal to cur dot next new node dot next do cur dot next cur dot next is equal to new node return head. Otherwise, from otherwise we move through the list until we find the right spot to insert and do the pointer adjustment, and that's it. Now we will try to run this code to check whether everything is correct or not. So yes, the code is running successfully, providing the correct output. Now we'll submit this code to check whether all other test cases have been passed or not. And also we will check whether the given code is executing using the given within the given time complexity or not. Yes. So as you can see here, all tests have been passed. All test cases have been passed successfully, and the time taken here is 1.44. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, and with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more programming videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Happy coding!